Hello, in front of me I have Honor Magic V5, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily restore your WhatsApp chats. Okay, this tutorial shows you how you can easily restore your chats, but it requires a backup that it has been made earlier. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you everything step by step, so if you want you can look for it. So, before we before we open up our WhatsApp, let's open up our settings, and let's scroll down, and under the Google, let's make sure that we are logged in into the same Google account that we have selected on the moment when we are creating a backup. It is really important, because if you will be logged in into other Google account, there's a huge chance that you won't be able to restore the chats. So simply make sure that you're logged into proper account. And now we can open up our WhatsApp. So let's do it. In here, simply select your language and click on Agree and Continue. We can click on Allow to send us notifications, and now in here we need to type our phone number. When we do it, we need to click on Next, and then we'll have to verify our phone number. We have two methods actually. One method is a code from the SMS message, and the second one is the missed call. I highly recommend using the missed call, because in my opinion it simply works much better. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll type my phone number and I will verify it. Alright, and once you have verified your phone number, you should have something like that, contacts and media. Now we need to simply click on Continue. Now allow for everything. Okay. And now we have two methods. We can restore our backup or transfer from old phone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can restore from the backup. So click on Selected, then click on Continue. And now you can see that our backup is being restored. We can see when the date when the last backup was made. We can also see its size and the account on which we made it. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I'm currently logged into. In the settings of my device, you can see that 10 messages has been restored. Click on Next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo. Then click on Next. And now, as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos and photos, has been successfully restored on our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.